Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC going into tomorrow. In this video, we're gonna share our opinion on how we believe the price action will play out. So as we know, for starters, today your boy was definitely wrong. I expected for AMC to run up, bust through 26, 23 resistance, and fulfill that gap fill that we have started the week off with. Coming up out on Monday at 27.50, we expected to reach 28, between 28 and 30 with that opening, and we was 50 cents off from our target. So now on the day we expected to fulfill that gap fill. We didn't quite get there. Hit a high today of $26.03. So going into tomorrow, we know sometimes people, sometimes the predictions will roll over into the next day. It doesn't change the fact that I was wrong on today, but sometimes people understand that follow the channel and give you the benefit of the doubt and say, it didn't happen today, but if it hit tomorrow, yesterday, it was understandable. But I'm not trying to get no justification. I'm just letting you guys know sometimes, it roll over the next day. Just as if I called out a stock and said, hey, Snapchat, crazy deal buy, like I did. It's about, guaranteed money, easy money play. And then Snapchat, you buy at the perfect spot between 10 and 12, but it doesn't pop in the time frame of what we expected it to. It consolidate at that period. Now Snap went under 10 and went down to $5, $6, $7, then I consider that's wrong. But if it's still at the same level that I said buy at, and they go from 10, and then a week later it shoot up to our resistance, or shoot up to the price target of $13, $14, then I still consider that as a solid play. And you never really lost money if you got in at $10.50 and it's hovering, consolidating in the $10, $11 range. You didn't really lose any money. You just waited until the money to come. So however you want to look at it though. But going over into the next day, guys, our prediction basically could roll over and we could possibly fulfill that gap fill on tomorrow. As we know, the market try and get tricky today, guys, but we ain't got no reason for the market to not be bullish when we was already anticipating on a bullish market within the bearish market. The pullback on the other day was for two things: CPI inflation data being reported. It was falling, selling off prior to that, not knowing was it going to be mediocre, near the same, or it couldn't be too bad because we already knew things was coming down ahead of time prior to the report. So anyways, guys, for that reason, and also being for the fact that the prior week the market had fulfilled and did exactly what we said it would do, running up, stocks running up 40% in a day, up over 80% in a week. It had to cool off a bit and pull back, and it also pulled back prior to the data information, guys. So that being said, now it's nothing in front of us. We already should be in the bullish market. The economy is doing a bit better. Things is cooling off. Inflation is cooling off. So with that being said, we should definitely be seeing, things go crazy. So going into tomorrow and the day, they try to cool the market off. Crazy morning spike and then cooled off on the day. A lot of the stocks didn't seem to get back. Some did, but the majority of them didn't. And the one that definitely did get back though and rerouted and went near its all-time high at the end of the day was AMC, looking very convincing compared to every other stock in the market on today. I ain't gonna say every last single one of them, but the majority of the ones, all the ones that's on my watch list. AMC's looking, more stronger and more convincing than any other, being for the fact of how it got back on the day and ended near its highs. So AMC ended at $25.69, up over 7.5% today, guys. We opened at 24.07. The high was 26.08. The low was 23.68. Like I told you guys, just that little $2 dip, we already seen how the vibe of the community changed just that quick. They was already losing hope, saying this, that, and the third. And I bet those same people didn't expect for us to bounce back like we did on the day. They had all week, guys, to try and get us under 20. The day before the CPI inflation report came out, they definitely tried to get us under there. And that just showed how strong AMC is, and especially how we got back on today the way we did, and being the only securities to end near our highs. So going into tomorrow, we should definitely fulfill this gap fill, guys, running up to 26, 23, break through that resistance. If we get rejected the first time, we could come down and try and find a little short-term support around $25.40. If 25.40 is broken on tomorrow, we could see $24 again. If 24 is broken, then we're going to see a breakdown going into next week for them to try and get us under 20 once more. But as long as we hold above that 24 and 25, really we need to hold it above 25 going into tomorrow so we can keep it tight and stay strong and easily get through this gap fill. And we could see tomorrow. Let me go ahead and be clear, because I'm just telling you guys the whole outlook. But I like to be clear because some people say, oh, it just says going down. Oh, tomorrow I'm expecting for AMC to go up. I'm just giving you the whole outlook on how things will look. But anyways, we're expecting for it to go up, expecting for the market to be bullish, and for AMC to reach a price target of, drum roll please, dun, 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 $28 to $30, guys. $28 to $30 on tomorrow. That's what we're expecting for AMC to hit. We expected for it today, but like I said, guys, sometimes it rolls over. And you already know if we hit that 30, that's going to possibly trigger more people to want to hurry up and get in. It could possibly push us a little higher from there. It's not going to hold its peak, though. It's going to come back down and find support. And if we blast through those levels, hopefully we could blast through it, and I mean run up to a level that we shouldn't actually be at. What I mean by that is sometimes a stock will overdo itself. It'll blow past certain levels just to come back down and hold support at a level it really truly wanted to be at. Just as we did on the opening up, when we opened up big on Monday from the $22, $23 level, opened up at $27.50, and then came back and we didn't see $27.50 nothing ever again this week. We seen 26, 23, but not 27.50, almost 28. So anyways, guys, you already know what to do. That's my prediction going into tomorrow. Add your boy over on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Getting VIP right now. We going dumb. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.